basically, you were just talking to one of our representative about the final expense insurance policy, which is designed to cover 100% cost of your funeral, burial, cremation, or any other death or obligation that you may leave behind. That would be also taken care of. And on top of
Yes,
that, you can leave something behind as a gift of love for your loved ones. So, first of all, I can see your zip code here with me is 35023. That would be for the beautiful state of Alabama, right?
yes, sir, all of my life.
Alrighty. How's the weather in Alabama these days? Does it snow over there?
Oh, no, sir, it's beautiful. It's sun shining.
Oh, okay. Well, then you are lucky to have such a beautiful weather in the month of January.
Yes, sir. It is, it's always been this way here. You very seldom get snow.
Alrighty. Okay, then you are lucky. And you
Yes,
said
sir.
you were born. You said you were born on the 1964. That makes you 59 years young, right?
Yes, sir. All my
Well, you
life here.
are. Well, you are sounding way younger for 59. I thought you would be like maybe 46 or 48, not more than that.
You're not the only one who's ever told me that. When I was in school and everybody, all of my friends told me, they said, you don't look your age, you look a lot younger. I said, because I drink the drink from the water of the fountain of God. The
Well,
youth
okay, got it.
fountain.
That's perfect. So you better keep doing whatever you are doing because that makes you sound so young. And obviously, when you are already in your 80s, you would be sounding like this 60 or 65, not more than that.
I'm 59. I'm
Yeah.
59.
All right. Great,
5'9".
great. And you mentioned, all right. And you mentioned that you don't smoke, right?
No, sir, I don't. I don't want that garbage in my mouth.
All righty. Okay. So you smoke. You said that you don't smoke. That's a really good thing. Do not smoke. And you mentioned to our associate that you are using Chicken's account, right? With the business.
Yes, sir, I do.
I got it. So that's all the pretty much information we needed. You also mentioned that you would like to get the information for $5,000, right?
Yes, sir. I've got my burial that I paid for. I've been paying my burial off, and
Mm-hmm.
I think it's stupid that they don't want to take your burial that I paid for. That my parents took out all six of us kids.
Oh, okay.
Then my
Well,
mama got killed when she was coming home from the local hospital here. Three
I
men hit
got it.
her head on, and it demolished her body. She's just
All right, yeah.
38 years old.
Okay, I got it. Well, right now, like I told you, that it's not only specifically for your burial or cremation, right? There are a lot of folks that I speak with. They would like to leave something behind as a gift of love for their loved one. Like there could be anybody from their family members, like their spouse, their kids, their grandkids, maybe a good friend of theirs, and there could be, a lot of people. On top of
I
that, like
don't
I
have
said,
any grandbabies. I have two kids, my son and daughter, and they're grown.
okay, so you got only two kids.
Yeah, I stopped at two. I
You
stopped at two.
you,
I have a
you did a
son and a
great
daughter, a Mary and an Adam.
you did a great job that you stopped at two, because a lot of people go with like 10 or 12. They just don't stop it. They do it.
Well, I couldn't have no more than that.
Yeah, one of my friend has actually seven kids, and he's just 49. So think, once he is 60, he would be having already his football team, like 12 or 11 maybe.
My mom and daddy had six of us, and she had one miscarriage. But my
Oh,
daddy
so
wouldn't stop. She couldn't take no birth control pills or nothing.
so you were like half a dozen.
Yes, sir. I was,
Alrighty.
she had a son, a daughter, and she had three girls, and then the last two were two boys.
Alrighty, okay. Well, so let me just bring the agent for you. They will be the ones to further assist you and to help you with all the codes and rates for the final expense. So let me check if one of them is available or not. Unless or until one of the agent picks up the line, I would be right here with you, talking to you, entertaining you, and asking you sort of like questions so we could continue the conversation because I like talking to people like you who participates in a conversation with me.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it.
They're
You're
being
welcome.
ugly to me. If I continue being ugly to me, I'm gonna hang up on them again. They're being rude.
Yeah.
Your call is very important to us.
Well,
Please stay on the line.
it depends on the individual. Some people are really like cooperative, really friendly. So you don't get like tired of talking to them even if you talk to them for like hours. But again, there are some people who sound so sort of like rude that you do not want to talk to them for like a minute or two. So it all depends on the individual characteristic, how they talk to people, how they carry themselves, right? So being
I'm gonna turn them in like I did the other ones a while ago.
yeah. So being somebody like a customer support or like a customer representative, right? You gotta you
Yes, sir,
gotta
they got
entertain
real
your
rude
client.
to me. You gotta give me a
No.
chance to tell you what they're doing. They were very rude to me. I told them if I talked to them again, I was gonna call home office on them, and I did.
Great, great. Yeah, I usually, since I am the supervisor, the manager over here, so I usually, give instruction to my agents. Do not be rude with anybody, even though if the clients tries to be rude, because you call them, they don't call you, so you do not have the right to be rude to our clients. You gotta
Well, you need
respect
to
their
fire them.
opinion.
You need to fire them. You need to fire them. I worked in the medical field, in
Exactly. I
hospitals.
usually.
I worked in the hospitals, and I work with them. I work with them. I work with them individually, and I work with
Mm-hmm.
them when I done my job, and
Mm-hmm.
they got fired. I
Exactly. Well,
told my
that's what we do
supervisor,
here.
and he fired him on the spot.
That's what we do here. First, I dog them. When somebody still keeps doing what they should not be doing here, they get fired. That's what we do here because our clients is our first priority. So if we do not, respect our clients, obviously, then we are not professional at all.
And you put it in there, and you take them out of the system so they can't be hired anymore. And you put it on the record to not be hired in the medical field or anything anymore working with the public.
Exactly,
Your call
exactly.
is
That's what we do. We usually, when we send them home, we send them with bait notes so that the next organization already know that what this
Yes, sir.
individual
You
got
do.
got fired for. Exactly, that's what we do here. Yeah. So
And you put in their notes to not be hired in the medical field or with the public anymore. You put it on there for them to go do dishes or practice that.
exactly, and I just forgot to ask you, by the way, I'm speaking with Miss Donna, right?
Yes, sir, you are. The one and only. God help us all.
Well, to be honestly, you got beautiful name. I had a girlfriend with the same name, and you sort of reminded me of that girl.
Donna means lady. I looked it up in the terminology what this name Donna means. Donna means lady
Oh,
in the
it means
medical
lady.
book.
So what's the
Yes, sir.
origin of this name? What's the origin of this name?
Donna means lady. It means she loves people. She loves to
Oh,
work
oh,
with people. And that is God's word. I looked it up in the book of the Bible.
oh. Okay, so I gotta check in the Bible in order to get the meaning of this name. I got it. I'll be
That's
checking
what
on
it
it.
is. I looked it up in the Bible. God's word
Yeah.
means lady. God created the lady,
Mm.
the name Donna.
Alrighty, I got it. Well, that you sort of the name that you have the characteristic of your name because you are very lovely, you are very sort of friendly lady. So the name sort of represents you, or you represent your
Yes,
name.
sir.
Yeah, exactly.
Donna's in the Bible.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. Well, and you live alone, or you got your people with
your call is
you, like your family members with you.
Yes, sir. Me and my son live together. He's my baby.
Okay, I got it. So, Miss Donna, it seems right now the agent is busy. I'll make sure to have Mr. Garcia, to give you a call back, like in the next 10 or 15 minutes, so that he could connect you with the license agent. Okay?
Okay, thank you so very kindly, okay?
It, sure, ma'am. It was nice talking to you. Have a good one. All right.
Nice talking to you, and you have a very blessed day, okay?
You too, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right.